Chinese flagships OPPO Find X8 Pro and Find X8 boast impressive batteries, latest chipsets, and superior cameras, set to launch globally later this month. OPPO Find X8 Pro, with a superior main 50 megapixels sensor and a 135mm telephoto, outperforms the X8 South in terms of camera performance, despite differences in height, display size, and battery size. The OPPO Find X8 Pro comes with a case, a USB-C to USB cable, and an 80W charger. OPPO Find X8 Pro camera features a 50 megapixels 1.4L YT808 sensor with 2 periscope zooms, 73mm mid-tele, and 135mm telephoto with close focusing capabilities. The OPPO Find X8 Pro offers a premium hand experience with its curved frame, glass, and all-matte surface, ensuring a seamless and fingerprint-free experience. OPPO's camera features an alert slider for quick muting and a quick button, allowing quick camera launch with a double tap or continuous shooting burst holding it down. The OPPO Find X8 Pro is a flagship smartphone with a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display, 3nm MediaTek 9400, and a 5910 mAh battery, expected to last well.